Tornado watch. Haha! Now everyone's activating.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 4, effective until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following county: Baldwin, Alabama.
Finally!
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
Of course, W100 doesn't
Tornadoes,
activate.
large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later
This is what it
signs
sounds
and
like.
possible warnings.
Here, wait. Oh, they
Tune
got some
into the
done.
weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 4 has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama. Dense fog